Hello and welcome to a video from Miniature Tanks Company. In this video we're going to be assembling the Churchill tank. So let me just explain a few things here. In this pile we have the Churchill crocodile. It comes with this trailer. It's a big flamethrower Churchill. And in this we have the regular Churchill Mark III. And then in this we have the Churchill Mark III with close support. So when you buy the Churchill Mark III with close support, this will be the kit that you get. If you buy the Churchill Mark III regular version, this will be the kit that you get. And then if you buy the Churchill Crocodile, this will be the kit that you get. It's just the same. The assembly process is the same. So that's why I built this already. And I'm not taking a separate video for all the assemblies since they're all the same. The only difference between the Churchill Crocodile is you also assemble this trailer that you don't get with the regular versions. So this video is good for all the Churchill listings. So let's get going. I'm just separating the parts that don't require removing screws and such. Here is this bin. There you go. Cutting that. Put that. And then here is that. And here's the two tires for the trailer. Cutting those screws off there. Right, so there's the two trailer tires. Everything's done except for the removing of this plastic support that's underneath the gun. Let's go ahead and do this. And then be careful when doing this. Little MG or whatever. Alright. We're just carefully removing that. Okay. And sand it down or whatever you wish to do. So the cutting away process is done for this kit. So now let's start the gluing process. Here, let's go ahead and get some glue here. Right there. There. There you go. And to glue this together, I'm going to use the table to help guide this into place. There you go. So the table helped me there. That's fine. And then the next easy step for this kit, just putting some glue there. And essentially we're using the table again to help guide us and get that other piece into place. While that's drying and such, let's go ahead and get this turret piece glued together. Just carefully put that into place. That's the center of it. Alright, there's the turret. The turret's actually not done. Put some glue on the back. Put this in like that. There you go. There's the Churchill turret. Here's this trailer. That's easy to figure out how that glues together. Just make sure that lines up where that should go. Alright. Let's go ahead and do the tires here while we're at it. There you go. Essentially try to get that axle in the center of that tire. Nice. Get some more glue on the other side. There you go. There's the trailer. Now it's the big tracks on each side. So just put some glue down the whole side there. And it's really easy to figure out. Just like that. That's how it should be laying up. That should go the end point there. The last gluing piece for this kit there you go. There's the Churchill Mark III crocodile. This trailer hitch thing kind of hooks up correctly. There it is. And then that's the crocodile. Here's the regular version. And if you happen to get the close support version, you'll get this turret instead. Go check it out at miniaturetanks.com. Thank you for watching.